Okay, now I will show you our latest product, H1 model. How to assemble the H1 model. H1 electric bag, also our previous model with pattern protection. It's our latest product. Now I will show you how they assemble. You can have a look. This is to install the brake line, and this is the brake line, and also here is the communication line. This worker will install both this part and this part together with the electric bag. And this one is to install this part. This is the rear fork together to connect this part with the frame part. Okay, then let's go the next step. You can have a look. This one is to install the brain part and this rear fork, front fork part. And after the install of the spring and the rear fork and the front fork, they will put the frame on this part. You will have a look of this. And you can have a check of this part. This part is the head part of the electric bag, head part. And this worker will install the head part of the electric bag, connect with the frame part and connect with the forward part. And after install, it will be like this. Excuse me. Okay, after install, it will be like this. You can have a check. This is the head part, and this is the frame, also the front fork and rear fork. Okay, let's go this way. After assembly, you can have a look like this. Like this. Yeah, red color is very attractive. Okay, now let's move to this part. This part is to install the flywheel. This part is to install the flywheel. And this part is to install the rear fender, and this one is the front fender. Yeah, after install the rear fender and the front fender, also here you can have a look. This is the motor. Sorry, this is the rear wheel, not motor. Motor in here. They will install the motor and the chain. You connect the chain here. Yeah, you can have a look how they install it. Okay, now they will connect the chain with the flywheel. Yeah. Okay, the next step, they will install after assemble the motor, and then they will install the foot stand. They will install the foot stand and will lock the screw. Yeah. Okay, then they will install the front wheel. You can have a check. They will check the disc brake, and then they will install the front wheel here. And this one is to fix the disc screw. And this one, they will fix the line. You can have a look. There are so many labels. Now they will fix the line. And this girl, you can have a look of this girl. Excuse me, can you have show me? This one, you can have a look of the numbers on the card. It will show this one is the battery number, and this one is the motor number. And they will. Thank you. you can have a check of the number on the scooter like this, on the battery like this. Yeah, when there are each product, we will have record of this product. Then we can know later if there is a problem with this batch. Then we can check whether which model, which batch it is, and also we can know the battery supplier, the controller supplier, and the motor supplier can enable the customers after-sales service, and we can have records to ensure customers, after-sales safety. Okay. The next step, you can have a look. This one is to install the controller, and this one is the controller. She connects the line. Okay. And this one is fix the line. Fix the line. This one is to install the brake caliper. You can have a look of this part. They install this part to do brake. Also here, also the fix the controller of this part. Here is to fix. You know we install the rear fender in the front part, but now they will fix the screws of this part. Yeah, then it will not be shed. Okay. This step, you can have a look of this step. This step, this girl will use this silicone part to fix the line. Also, will use this to protect the line. To protect the line will be not hurt. Yeah, you can do like this. It's very, yeah, she did really good work. You're really good. Okay. Next one. And this step, you can have a look of this part. This part is to fix this one. Controller, you know we installed the controller before, and now we will use this one to fix, to protect the controller. Yeah. And this one also will use, this worker will have use screws to fix this part, fix the controller. And this worker, after the whole assembly, the electric bag is finished, then he will put the bag here, and will know whether the battery, will test the battery to the electric bag, whether the battery and the frame can connect well. Also, he will adjust the direction of the scooter to test whether it's in right direction. You can have a look. Yeah. Case test. Okay, then next step. This one is to install the display, and this is a communication line. We can have a look. There are so much line, and this one they will. Excuse me, sorry. Can you have? Yeah. After assemble, you can have a look of their camera here. That one is a display. They will install the display here. You can have a check. After assembly, the display is like this, and then they will use this glass to here, then protect the display. They will fix like this. After they fix the screw, it will be like this. For example, sorry, excuse me, like this, and then they will use the screw to fix it. Okay. Thank you. Okay, we can have a check of this guy. This guy is to adjust the the disc brake disc, and we'll then after they're adjusting, we can know whether the disc brake works well or not. You can have a look. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 workers to adjust the disc brake because we know the brake is very important when the electric bike when reading. The brake can enable the reader's safety when they met some situation. They cannot. It's very roughly, yeah, very suddenly, yeah. Okay. Then that's all. This is our electric bag. If you are interested in our electric bag, please feel free to contact with our professional team. Then they send inquiry to ours. Then we will send more detailed information to you. Okay.